Today we're here in the parish of Manchester, close to the Trelawney-Manchester border, to visit some farmers and hear about how they have been affected.
So it's like it's storm coming out. It's a disaster. Because this more than storm. Over here alone, you know. It's about, you might be about $1 million. Yeah, because you know if you set you up on there with it.
Yeah man. Yams like these are the ones who get most price for, you know. Best price for. This crop now is August, September. We couldn't save anything because the hurricane take them.
It's a whole heap of loss, you know, in terms of what the wind would have done with the yams. Yam plus yam stick, because you have a whole heap of damages to that as well. For the cash crops, a lot of damages as well. As you can imagine, the water flowing through the space, it's basically a total wipeout.
So earlier we heard from the farmers in Shudley, Manchester about how Hurricane Melissa impacted them and their farms. But today the Jamaica Observer team, we journey to Coronation Market to hear from the higglers themselves about how it impacted them in getting their produce in. This is Market Bag. We'll be bringing you the prices and so much more.
Well, the prices kind of look a bit high, but we just have to know how to work with it. Because when we buy from the farmer, we have to sell back to make back a little profit. Same way. You understand? So, nevertheless, we just still have to try to work with the customers, them as you, to come buy from we, and then we see how best it can go on.
People have no money, you have to understand. Some people have said sweet paper for $1,000, which is not unnecessary. Them can do better.
They can't afford, but they want to buy if I have a half. Because what you're going to do is, you need the stuff. So if you can't buy 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, you're going to buy half pound. Because they need it, so you're going to buy it. But the price is really, a pound of Escallion for $1,000. How many people can buy a pound of Escallion or half pound for $500? Huh? Talk about. Are you telling about?